Tornado between Ayamonte and Isla Cristina, Huelva, Spain. Power lines, trees and roads were damaged. Affected are the N401 highway from Ayamonte to Isla Cristina. At kilometer 127, where traffic in both directions was stopped due to the fall of the tree and electrical poles, as well as the highway connecting Pozo del Camino to Isla Cristina. Attention! If you are into a similar storm with a tornado, you must find shelter, listen to authorities, Residents of Huelva are still in shock after a tornado occurred on Tuesday in Pozo del Camino, in the municipality of Ayamonte, damaging power lines and trees. In one of the houses on Polpo Street, the roof could not stand, it not collapsed.